ॐ नमो श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूर्ये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। स्वामी जी की जयंती पर आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Hello everyone, I am Shreya and today on Youth Day I would like to quote famous quote of Swami Vivekananda ji that says, "You are the creator of your own destiny and you have all the power within you, so just believe in that."
This is Arzu Chandel, a student of class 12th of GMSS Dadi, Dharamshala. As we all know that today is 12th of January, which is celebrated as National Youth Day all over India. Today is 159th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to quote one of his sayings. Vivekananda said that anything that makes you weak physically, spiritually, and intellectually, you should reject it as poison.
Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Dream of it, think of it, and live on that idea. Let the brain, the body, muscles, nerves, and every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success, and this is the way great spiritual giants are produced.
I am Tanisha Chauhan. Today, 12 January is celebrated as National Youth Day, the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. The great line said by Swami Vivekananda that we are the product of our thoughts means we are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
उठो जागो और तब तक नहीं रुको जब तक लक्ष्य न प्राप्त हो जाए। बस वही जीते हैं जो दूसरों के लिए जीते हैं। हम वो हैं जो हमें हमारी सोच ने बनाया है, इसलिए इस बात का ध्यान रखिए कि आप क्या सोचते हैं।
I'm Mahi Gupta of class 12 studying at GMSS Study School Dharamshala. As we all know, today is Swami Vivekananda's birthday, which is also known as National Youth Day. Swami Vivekananda was one of the greatest men of India who increased the pride of India all over the world. Swami Vivekananda once said, "All power is within you. You can do anything and everything," which means you should first believe in yourself rather than believing in others. You are never too weak. You should do each and everything you want to do, even though you won't succeed. At least you won't left with any regrets.
Hello, I am Anavrat Sharma and I want to present the thought of Swami Vivekananda. Rise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached.
My name is Arpit Thakur and I am a humble resident of Dharamshala. So 12 January is celebrated as National Youth Day, the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. So once a German scholar, Max Muller, said that eraser is made for those who make mistakes. But Swami Vivekananda cleverly replied to this that eraser is made for those who are willing to correct their mistakes. So in the end, you can either learn from your mistakes or waste your time remembering those mistakes.
एक विचार लो, उस विचार को अपना जीवन बना लो, उसके बारे में सोचो, उसके सपने देखो और उस विचार को जियो। अपने मस्तिष्क, मांसपेशी, नसों, शरीर के हर हिस्से को उस विचार में डूब जाने दो और बाकी सभी विचारों को किनारे रख दो। यही सफल होने का तरीका है।
हिमाचल वेदांत केंद्र द्वारा आयोजित इस ऑनलाइन कार्यक्रम में एक प्रयास था कि युवा स्वामी जी का जीवन पढ़ें, स्वामी जी के जीवन से प्रेरणा लें और उनकी ओजस्वी वाणी में से कुछ अंश आप सभी के साथ साझा करें। राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस 2022 के पावन अवसर पर आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।